What's up, guys? Today we're going to talk about my newest hammock, Grand Trunk. So stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear tips, then you have come to the right place. Please consider hitting that subscribe button if you haven't already. And yeah, so today we're going to talk about my newest hammock. It is the Grand Trunk Starter Hammock. It came in one of my Nomadik boxes. I'll put the card up top. You can go check that video out. But this is the Grand Trunk Starter Hammock. Now, I've never owned a hammock from Grand Trunk. So like I said, this is the starter hammock. I've got a couple notes written down and we're going to talk about this hammock right here. So first off, it is very small and compact. I like that. I really like that because I am a hammock sleeper when I go backpacking and hiking. So I like it to fit in a nice little package. I don't want some big cumbersome hammock to take with me hiking. So yes, this is great. You've probably seen me sitting in this in a couple videos already. I have been using it and testing it out. Absolutely love it. So comes in this ripstop bag that does match the hammock. You take the straps out, and this is the material. It is super lightweight. A couple of the dimensions on it. It is rated for 300 pounds. The hammock is rated for 300 pounds. It is 9.5 feet long and 4.5 feet wide, and it weighs by itself without the tree straps 12 ounces. All right. So your bag, it also has a carry handle here so you can carry it. And it's just all around a really well-made hammock. So it's double stitched or single stitch, but it's folded over on the end, on the sides. And on the end, it is a gathered end here with a piece of rope attached and a carabiner here. And these are some solid carabiners. Now, it doesn't say not for climbing. I wouldn't trust this to climb with, but it says that the hammock would hold 300 pounds. These are some pretty solid carabiners here. So really good setup on that. Now, price on this is right at $30. All right, I'll have some links in the description if you're interested in it, but it's right at $30. And the material is King Rhombic Ripstop Polyester. All right, so it is very breathable. I've used it in a couple videos, and then I tested it out. I laid out in it and checked it out, and I really think it's really breathable and a really lightweight material. It feels really good. All right, so now let's talk about the tree straps. The tree straps do not come with the hammock. You have to buy them separate. So if you choose to get Grand Trunk straps, this is what we're going to talk about. So these have triple stitch down them. All right, they are 3 stitches all the way down for reinforcement, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 attachment point loops that you can use. Now these straps are 10 foot long by 1 inch wide, and they weigh in by themselves at 12 ounces as well. So 12 ounce tree strap, 12 ounce hammock, that's really not that bad. There are some lighter options out there, but if you're just getting started, this is a really good starter setup for you. All right, so the straps, they come in 5 different color options. You can get them in 5 different color options. These are the black and blue. These are the ones that came with mine with the Nomadik box. So they're not as long as some of the other tree straps that I've used, but they do work really well with this hammock. So love this setup. I really do. It's a great beginner kit. You're looking at about $30 for the tree straps. You're looking at about a $60 setup right there to get you started with a hammock and tree straps, which is not too bad. There are some cheaper options out there, but there are a lot more expensive options as well. It's a well-made hammock, and these are some well-made tree straps. So like I said, links will be in the description below. You can get over and check them out, see if you're interested in making a purchase. All right guys, well that is it. Make sure stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.